Imagine you send a message without touching a screen, without opening your mouth. You just thought about it, and it's already sent. This isn't fiction. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. Today in this video, we'll reveal technology that reads your thoughts and turns them into actions. Brain implants are already being tested on humans and will soon replace all smartphones. We'll show the latest developments from Neuralink and other companies, demonstrate their capabilities, and reveal the disturbing truth about who will control your thoughts. Get ready, because what you'll learn will make you rethink everything you knew before. Imagine, a tiny device connects your brain directly to the internet. Sounds impossible? It's already happening. The history of neural interfaces began 20 years ago with primitive experiments, but today it has achieved incredible progress. Elon Musk's company Neuralink has already installed its chips in the brains of the first patients. These people control computers by thought alone, without any movement. The lesser-known company Synchron has gone even further. Their implants are installed through blood vessels like an ordinary stent, without skull trepanation. A modern neural implant the size of a coin contains over 1,000 electrodes capable of reading the activity of individual neurons. The accuracy of reading thoughts has already reached 95%. In these clinical trial videos, you can see how paralyzed patients with implants communicate faster than healthy people type with their fingers. And this is just the beginning of a revolution that will change everything. Did you know that the average person touches their phone 2,600 times per day? But what if you didn't have to touch it at all? Neural implants work like this. Thousands of microscopic electrodes are placed in certain areas of the brain and capture electrical impulses from neurons. When you think about a specific action, certain areas of the brain activate, creating a unique pattern. Artificial intelligence algorithms decipher these patterns in real time. The most impressive fact: thought-to-text transmission happens 5 times faster than typing on a smartphone. You simply imagine words, and they appear on the screen. In the laboratory, they're already demonstrating calls without devices. The experiment participant thought about the number, then about wanting to make a call, and the call happened. There are now prototypes that allow 2 people with implants to send simple images to each other without external devices. The system converts an image from one brain into signals for another. The implants you've seen are just the first generation. What's being developed now will make you shudder. Engineers are working on neural chips the size of a blood cell, which can be injected with an ordinary syringe. Thousands of such micro-devices will distribute throughout the brain, creating an invisible neural network that's impossible to detect even on an MRI. Power is the key breakthrough. New implants no longer need batteries. They use blood glucose as an energy source, just like your own cells. These devices will live as long as you do. Integration with other devices will exceed all expectations. You won't just control home technology with your thoughts. It will continuously read your desires and act proactively. Most frightening, most people will receive these chips not voluntarily, but for medical reasons. They already stop epilepsy, restore vision, and treat depression. When a doctor offers you an implant to save your life, will you be able to refuse? Imagine, a company reads your thoughts 24/7, then sells them to advertisers. This isn't dystopia, it's tomorrow's business model. Brain chips provide the most intimate access to your personality. Corporations that will own this data will have complete control over your consciousness. Every thought, every emotion, every secret. Everything will become a commodity. But that's not the scariest part. Imagine hackers breaking into your brain implant. They could not only steal data, they could literally control your thoughts, change memories, cause pain or pleasure at the push of a button. Society will divide into 2 castes, an elite with superhuman cognitive abilities thanks to premium implants, and ordinary people who will be left behind in evolution. Laws hopelessly lag behind technology. No country in the world has legislation to protect thoughts. And the main question that should frighten you: when a machine starts thinking inside you, will you still remain human? So, neural implants are already here. They read thoughts, transmit information directly to the brain, and will soon become invisible to the eye. Every year they become smaller, more powerful, and cheaper. According to industry insiders' forecasts, the first mass neural interfaces for consumers will appear on the market in 3 to 5 years. In 10 years, 1 in 10 people will have them, and in 20 years, they'll be installed in children at birth. We've shown you only the public side of technology, But think about it. If such devices are already being tested openly, what's happening in secret military laboratories? What capabilities of neural implants are being demonstrated in closed showings for intelligence agencies? Subscribe to the channel and share in the comments. Would you agree to a neural chip implant if it made you 10 times smarter? Or if it was the only way not to lose your job?